Hey YouTube, Phoenix 21 Studios here, and we have an unboxing video. Just got this in the mail today. It's the Rockford Fosgate small profile something or other. It's the PBR400X4D, and the reason that I bought it is because it is pretty small here. It's going to fit great in the wheel well of my Corvette. I'm going to do the unboxing here. Looks like we have certificate of performance verification and some wiring diagrams, do's and don'ts. Well, let's see, there you go. Motorcycle, golf cart, ATV, small amp for small spaces. Some more stuff in there. We'll look at that in a second. This is the amp itself, packaged very nicely. This is the 4-channel version. I think that they make a 2-channel version. And this is sealed up really nice. And this is supposed to be 50 by 4. So on this side we have the speaker outs with the diagram, remote, ground, battery. Should be 12 volts. Solid on the back. And this is what's important about this particular amp. This is why I liked it. It has these separate pass filters. You have low pass and high pass. You have a high pass 60 and a high pass 80 for front or rear channel. It has 2-channel mode and 4-channel mode. And this is your gain 1 through 11. Take a little screwdriver and do some fine tuning with that. It also has indicators for your clipping, input clip, and clip on output of both channels. Now the way that I'm going to utilize this, I'm not going to be able to visually see it. It's going to be underneath the wheel well. And I got some ABS plastic, and I'm going to mount it to the ABS plastic. And the outer perimeter of that plastic is going to be a match of the old Bose amp, so it should just mount in place. I've got a wiring diagram I'm going to consult, and we'll see how this sounds with the Rockford Fosgate punch speakers that I bought previously. And I replaced the door speakers with those, but because of the way the Corvette's set up on the Bose amp, it's just awful. It's garbage. I think the guy who designed that should lose his job. Everyone complains about it. So the way that it comes in on the Corvette, line level signal goes to the amp, and it sends it out in different channels. The rear is actually mono with a low pass filter. The Bose door speakers are low pass filter with line level signal, and the amplifier for those speakers is built into the speaker. It's crazy looking. And then you have a center speaker, which is also mono. There's no tweeters, and then you have 2 small woofers up in the upper door panel, and I don't think that those have a low pass filter for them. So when I'm consulting this diagram, I'm going to just bypass the amp completely, match color for color, go into this and come out of this. The other thing that was in the box are these connectors. I don't know the actual name of this style connector, but it's, you can't do it the wrong way. It only fits in there one way, and on the other end are these style jacks. And you get 2 of them. They're color coordinated. So I think with what I'm going to do, I'm not going to use these. I'm going to just splice the wires and crimp them in. Oh, good, there's 2 of them in there. That's good. I'll use this one and not this one. See if the other one's set up that way. And it is good. So I've got everything I need right here. See if there's anything else I need to cover. this product. I think it said it had a warranty on it. Yeah, it's got a free 1-year extended warranty with the purchase of qualifying. I bet that's a product registration thing. You have to register it, so we'll see about that. Okay, so looking at this verification performance certificate, it does show on here at 2 ohms each channel's output, and that's about 123, 124 watts. And our total wattage is 495, and that's at 1% of total. THD is total harmonic distortion. And total power RMS at 4 ohm, which is the way that I'm going to be using this. It looks like it's 296 RMS. So that's neat that they include this sheet with this from Rockford Fosgate. I would just imagine that if you're buying some knockoff brand stuff or no-name brand, you're not going to get the actual power rating that they promise. So it's at least nice to have that peace of mind. Rockford Fosgate's been around for a while. They're a pretty reputable company. This apparently has been out for a while, May 2013. The compact design of the Class BR amplifiers make the item great for use in ATVs, golf carts, and motorcycles. Well, that's all that I have. Thanks for stopping by. Be sure to like and subscribe, leave me a comment, and have a good day.